Hi there everybody, what's the whole universe? I hope that everything is fine. I'm Russian who brings forward the own experience, and today I'm gonna talk about how do I practice my competitive programming skills. First of all, I learn about palindromes, anagrams, chaturanga, chess, kshanji, genju, shogi, and draughts and checkers and different types of gomoku, Othello, reversi, and more baraba, go, and different types of mind sports too. Renju, Othello, Mancala, a whale, and others. It is different types of games, and it helps me to improve my programming skills in terms of I play them in terms of the numbers, in terms of the symbols, in terms of the different types of string variables, and also integer values of a pair of numbers of x and y, because it represents the grid of x, y coordinates, x and y coordinates. Yes, we have them. And chess, what is it? It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have different positions of our Q, and also K, and also B. Okay, again, we have Rook, R, N, B, Q, K, and pawns. It is actually king, knight, bishop, rook, queen, and pawns. And also we have different positions of them. They could be placed there. And also we have white, W, and also we have the black SB. Yes, and also have different types of positions that they could be could be placed in. Also, I do practicing of different types of C++ syntax in terms of I speak sometimes hashtag, include, triangle, bracket, beats, slash, std, c++.h. 1 moment. Is it going? Oh no, not yet. Beats slash std c++.h, triangle, bracket, enter, user namespace std, semicolon, and then for loops, do while loops, inline, operator, bool, long, ll, type def, define, and different types of int, main, parentheses, curly bracket, enter, return 0, semicolon, enter, curly bracket, and voids, different types of them, vector, pair, multi-set, set, subset, set, multi-map, hash things, hash data structures, and others. I actually do repeating them. 1 moment. Hope that there will not be a lot of people. Yes, and also we practice different types of algorithms. I kind of repeat them inside of my mind. Dexter's algorithm, Kraskell's algorithm, Dexter's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, Dexter's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, Johnson's algorithm, Floyd-Warshall algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Barufka's algorithm, Kraskell's algorithm, Kazaraj's algorithm, Moss algorithm. Also different types of Sif of Eratosthenes, Sif of Atkins, Sif of Sundaram. And why did I start from Dexter's and started to go to Floyd-Warshall and also Bellman-Ford and Johnson's? Because it is on the one field. It is the same as sorting algorithms. I will speak about, for example, merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, counting sort, bogo sort, sush sort, team sort, radix sort, shell sort, cube sort, and others. It means that I kind of place them in one thing. By the way, sush and bogo sort, they are different. I mean that they are sorting algorithms too, but they are not effective in terms of the programming. They are big O notation equals to n factorial or something. And also I repeat multiplication, division, integration, interpolation, subtraction, addition, logarithmization, quantization, and vectors, and different types of linear algebra, matrices, num, and also different types of tasks that we have. I repeat inside of my mind: NUMS, ARR, STR, head, root 1, root 2, text 1, text 2, product, dot product, cross product, and MAT as matrix, and different types of variables I repeat inside of my mind, and also data structures as byte, short, in, long flow, double char, string, array, tuple, list, vlist, alist, vlist, AA3, AVL3, WAVL3, Merkle 3, TRIE, XFast TRIE, YFast TRIE, hash table, hashed things, mid hash, quotient filter, bloom filter, light map, quad edge, half edge, winged edge, stack, queue, rope, matrix, scapegoat, sparse matrix, and image, dop vector, leaf vector, bit array, bit field, bit board, bit map, and others. And also positions of our seeds as pos.x, pos.y, pos.z, val.x, val.y, val.z, acc.x, acc.y, acc.z, as and I mentioned position first, and then I said about velocity and also acceleration as the values of val.x, val.y, val.z, and acc.x, acc.y, acc.z, and it is different values. Also have grids, grid, and identifiers also, and different types of one person kind of locked in there in this place, and we have them on the left side. By the way, we have different types of sides as LRUD. It is left, right, up and down respectively, and I pronounce them inside my head through the inner speech, and also have horizontal and vertical movements. Today I read one task on LeetCode about the movement, and yesterday too, about the movement of one character who moves horizontally or vertically, and only to the right or down, and he had the specific string values of H and V. H means move horizontally, V means move vertically, and about it, also transformation, different types of them, LU, VU, LU, UV, QR also things, and also ABC and XYZ, IJK as imaginary units. Sometimes they are repeating themselves. Also have square bracket I, square bracket J, square bracket K, square bracket things, and they could be repeated to also imaginary units and quaternions, octanions, sedenions, and quaternions we have for them A plus BI plus CJ plus DK. It means A plus B times J plus C times, A plus B times I plus C times J plus D times K. And it is quaternions canonical formula. And we have them, also have mv squared over 2. It is, you maybe remember this, is for energy. Different types of physics formulas also have, and it is how we practice them. And also palindromes, anagrams, as I said before, and different types of graphs algorithms going from one point to another, minimum spanning tree, also strongly connected components we have, and Catalan numbers for parentheses, combinatorics, and bias theorem, and game theory, number theory, set theory, number theory, game theory, graph theory, and computational geometry we have too, for origami, for example. And if we'll repeat again what I said in the beginning, I said shogi, shanji, chess, chaturanga, draughts, also renju, gomoku, and there were morabaraba too. Gomoku Go as the game, different types of games also with cards, poker, blackjack, scat, and poker, blackjack, bridge too. It is for the Jack, Queen, King, Ace, JQ, KA, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, for them. Different types of them, and also diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. Different types of suits that they have. And also have we have the tasks of the best time to buy stocks. We have the price, we have the values, we have the people who are selling them, we have the companies, also have rankings. And about searching algorithms, we have breadth first search, depth first search, best first search, brute force, brute force search algorithms. Also have cryptographic algorithms as A5/2, A5/1, and Diffie-Hellman algorithm, RSA, DSA, DES, 3DES, SHA-1, SHA-2, SHA-3, RC1, RC2, RC3, RC4, RC5, RC6, MD1, MD2, MD3, MD4, MD5, MD6, Wake, Pike, Sober, El-Gamal algorithm, elliptic curve algorithm, and different types of shapes: pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, rectangle, triangle, circle, ellipse, rhombus, parallelepiped. It is already for 3D. Parallelogram we have also for them, ellipse, and different types of inner lines and curves as diagonal, sides. And also for trigonometry we have sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, arcsine, arccosine, arctangent, arctangent, arcsecond, arcsecond, xsecond, xcosecond, arcxsecond, arcxcosecond. And we use them there to, and adjacent side and opposite side, and also have adjacency list, adjacency matrix as the data structures that we use. It is how we practice it, and I could talk more about it, but we have actually people around us. So thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. See you next time. Improve day.